Nagbook kami ng Ninh Bin Day Tour from Hanoi through Klook. If nagche-check ka ngayon ng tour na to, malamang napansin mo rin na ang daming options. Honestly, I spent a lot of time comparing them before finally choosing Hualu, Trang'an, and Mua Cave Tour. You also have different transportation options. There's the standard bus, limousine bus, and the D-car limousine van. We chose the limousine bus. We were picked up directly from our hotel at 7 a.m. by our tour guide, Dem, who was honestly one of the best parts of the trip. He was very friendly, shared a lot of information about Vietnamese culture, tinuruan niya pa kami ng ilang Vietnamese words and phrases, at inexplain niya din kung bakit manipis or makitid yung karamihan ng bahay at building sa Hanoi. Siguro ikukwento ko na lang yun sa ibang video. Included na rin sa tour yung bottled water, buffet lunch at raincoat just in case umulan. Around 2 hours yung biyahe from Hanoi to Ninh Bin with one stop para mag-coffee, bumili ng snacks o mag-restroom break. First stop namin ay Hualu. Ang Hualu ang dating capital ng Vietnam bago ilipat ang capital sa Hanoi. Today, it is known for its historic temples dedicated to Emperor Din Tien Huang and Emperor Li Daihan. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Quick tip lang, make sure may dala kayong damit na tatakip sa tuhod nyo bago kayo pumasok sa temple. Naka-shorts ako that day pero nagdala ko ng tieable skirt na pwede kong isuot kapag kailangan lang. Yung iba naming kasama nakakuha rin naman ng pang-cover sa labas. After Hualu, we headed to lunch. The buffet lunch was okay, nothing extraordinary, but there were a lot of options and it was a nice break before the next activity. Medyo mainit na din kasi. We spent around 45 minutes there before continuing to Trang'an. Now, this was the part of the tour I was most excited about. When booking, you'll usually see two options, Trang'an or Tamco. After watching countless videos and reading reviews, we decided to go with Trang'an and honestly, it did not disappoint. Trang'an is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning limestone mountains, rivers, caves, and temples. The scenery looked straight out of the movie and actually part of the movie Kong, Skull Island was filmed there. Hindi ko pa siya napanood. The boat ride was probably one of my most favorite experiences in Vietnam aside dun sa double-decker bus. And sobrang swerte rin namin sa weather, hindi umulan at hindi rin sobrang init. As the boat moved through the river, we passed between massive limestone cliffs and entered several caves. Yung mga limestone, kung nakapunta na kayo ng El Nido, parang ganun siya. May caves na sobrang haba, may caves na sobrang baba na feeling mo sasayad ang ulo mo, at may isang cave na sobrang lakas ng hangin na parang may nakatagong electric fan sa loob. Yun yung pinaka-favorite namin. One thing I really appreciated was how peaceful everything felt. No loud engines, no crowds rushing around, just the sound of the water, nature, and syempre, kami ng mga nasa boat mismo. The boats are manually paddled by local rowers for nearly 2 hours, which is honestly very impressive. Sobrang hirap na. If you're able to, please consider giving them a tip because they work incredibly hard. We even helped rowing the boat. Our final stop was Moa Cave. At dito ako may love and hate relationship. Love because the view is absolutely worth it. Hate because kulang yung oras. Around 1 hour lang yung allocated time namin dito. Para makarating sa sikat na Dragon Viewpoint, kailangan mong umakyat ng mahigit na 500 steps. Nakakapagod siya, hindi ko kayo lolokohin. But once you reach the top, you'll understand why people do it. Makikita mo yung river na paikot sa gitna ng rice fields at limestone mountains. Para kang tumitingin sa postcard. Worth it yung hingal. Unfortunately, dahil nga sa time limit, hindi na namin napuntahan yung Lotus at Lilipad area sa baba, hindi na rin namin naikot yung buong area. Around 5:30 p.m., umalis na kami, pabalik ng Hanoi at nakarating sa hotel around 7:45 p.m. So, is the Ninh Bin Day Tour worth it? Definitely yes. If first time mo sa Vietnam at limited lang ang time mo, I think this is one of the best ways para makita mo yung highlights ng Ninh Bin. Pero after experiencing it myself, feeling ko kulang talaga ang isang araw. Ninh Bin deserves more time. If babalik kami sa Vietnam, gusto ko talagang magstay dito for at least 2 full days para ma-explore pa namin siya nang hindi nagmamadali. Yun lang, enjoy Ninh Bin!